Installation of the Alexa voice control module. Inside this package is the Alexa voice control module. Let's open the pack to see what's inside. First thing you'll see is the Alexa voice control module. Then the safety instructions. And the instruction sheet, including guidelines for the product's use. Unclip all the digital controls, lifting them from underneath. Then we remove the aesthetic bars, pushing them from the bottom up. Before clipping the voice control module, check correct orientation as per arrows. Now clip the voice control module. This is done in a similar manner as the digital controls. Simply clip in top, then bottom. The voice control module is immediately powered up and the LEDs turn on. Check with your electrical designer. Depending on your system configuration, an additional power supply may be required. Reference K8003 is available. After a few seconds, the Alexa voice control starts to talk. This means it is ready to be configured.
Your device is ready for setup. Follow the instructions in its companion app.